So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. So today we're gonna talk about how to add friends in Monopoly Go iOS. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically to add friends here in your iOS is pretty simple. So there are only 3 ways you can do it, and there's only 3 ways to do so. So you cannot do it using your user ID, so this is the only ways. So the first one is your contacts, so it will find friends for you, so it will ask the number and will automatically add friends that are playing on Monopoly Go from your contact list. So the second one is actually via Facebook, so it will ask your permission to connect the game to Facebook. It will automatically add friends that are already playing in Monopoly Go that already are friends at Facebook. So lastly, you can do an invite. You can manually send them the link and then an installation link of any to your friends. Then basically when they install it, you'll be able to be their friend automatically by doing so. So those are just the 3 ways you can add friends here in your iOS devices right here. So if you like this video, I hope to see you again next time, and thank you for watching.